In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of iPhone apps not downloading or stuck on waiting. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try opening Safari or YouTube to test your connection. If the internet is fine, go to the App Store, tap your profile icon on the top right, and scroll to check if there are any pending updates or errors. Now restart your iPhone by holding the power button and swiping the power off. Then turn it back on after a few seconds. Next, go to Settings General iPhone Storage and make sure you have enough space to install new apps. Also, check Settings Screen Time Content and Privacy Restrictions, and ensure app downloads are not restricted. If the problem continues, go to Settings App Store and turn off app downloads over Wi-Fi only if you're on mobile data. Finally, sign out of the App Store by tapping your name in Settings Apple ID, then sign back in after a few seconds. Now go back to the App Store and try downloading your app again. It should work smoothly now.